Good morning, class 9. Today we shall continue with the second part of the story, The Sound of Music. Last time we did about Evelyn, who due to her strong determination and willpower was able to achieve her aim in life. She mastered so many instruments. She could play so many instruments, hundreds of instruments, only because of her determination and strong willpower, in spite of the fact that she was handicapped. Now today we shall study about Bismillah Khan. Bismillah Khan is very famous all over the world. He is no more, but he is still alive in the hearts of millions of people who love Shehnai. He was a renowned Shehnai player. He not only earned name and fame in India, but all over the world. Now let us start the chapter today. The Shehnai of Bismillah Khan. Before you read, think of the Shehnai, and the first thing you will probably imagine is a wedding or a similar occasion or function. The next would probably be Ustad Bismillah Khan, the Shehnai maestro, playing this instrument. So you must have also seen in weddings, in marriages, often we hear either a person is sitting and playing the Shehnai in a marriage, or you will hear a cassette being played, an instrumental music cassette being played, and Shehnai is the most popularly played musical instrument in a wedding, in a marriage, because the sound of Shehnai is considered to be very holy, pious, auspicious. Now let us begin. Emperor Aurangzeb banned the playing of a musical instrument called pungi in the royal residence, for it had a shrill, unpleasant sound. What had an unpleasant sound? Pungi. And that is why, due to its unpleasant sound, Emperor Aurangzeb had banned the playing of pungi in the empire. Pungi became the generic name. Generic name meaning is given, name given to a class or group as a whole. Pungi became the generic name for reeded noise makers. Reeded means wind instruments which have reeds like the flute, etc. Pungi became the generic name for reeded noise makers. Few had thought that it would one day be revived. A barber of a family of professional musicians who had access to the royal palace decided to improve the tonal quality of the pungi. That means the barber who used to visit the royal palace, decided that he is going to improve the sound of the pungi. He chose a pipe with a natural hollow stem that was longer and broader than the pungi. Children, this you must underline, because this line will be used later in doing the question and answers. This is the difference between a pungi and a Shehnai. A Shehnai was made with a natural hollow stem that was longer and broader than the pungi. When he